Today we have a special treat for all the apple pie lovers out there. We'll be making our very own homemade apple pie spice. Apple pie spice is the perfect blend of warm and aromatic spices that add that extra touch of deliciousness to any apple pie. And the best part is, you can make it with ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Let's get started. First, grab a small bowl and a whisk. Measure out 1/4 cup of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cardamom, and a teaspoon of ground ginger. You can adjust the quantities to suit your personal taste. Whisk everything together until well combined. You'll start to notice a wonderful aroma filling the air. And voila! Your homemade apple pie spice blend is ready to be used in all your favorite apple recipes. Store your apple pie spice blend in an airtight jar away from direct sunlight, and it will stay fresh for several months. Now you have the secret ingredient to elevate your apple pies, apple crisps, or even sprinkle a little on your morning oatmeal. Enjoy!